Hi, welcome to Green Building Supply. My name's Aaron.
My name is Melanie.
And we're going to tell you how we made this behind us.
Yes.
I
was helpful.
She was extremely helpful.
Okay.
We spent about 3 days trying to figure out what to make. That was the hardest part. Thank you, Internet, for giving us way too many ideas.
True to form, I believe this is one of our first ideas.
Right.
But then
So
we had to exhaust all manner of options before we circled back to what we originally wanted.
We've seen a lot of cool barn quilts on barns outside, and we wanted to do something like that. And then, of course, we found that people were doing things like this online. So we wanted to incorporate all of the materials that we sell for flooring. So we have this is hardwood. Made by US Floors or Cares, I can't remember which.
Materials we have for flooring and also offcuts.
Right.
So this is actually, I guess, in the category of upcycled.
Yeah, these are all actually discontinued colors, so don't ask us what color they are because you can't order it.
Don't fall in love with this.
We sell a lot of samples, so we have a basement full of flooring that we cut up into samples, and when things get discontinued, we don't really have the heart to just throw this perfectly beautiful wood out, so we keep it for projects, and we've been keeping a lot of this for years, so we finally got to do something with it. We still have a lot more. This is hardwood. This is a cork flooring. This is a marmoleum click. This is actually neat. This is a cork that has been printed to look like travertine, yeah.
Like stone.
Right. And then this is more hardwood. So we had fun building this. We designed it, cut it, and then I stayed up all last night and glued it all together. And that's how we made it.
And we kind of let the thickness of the floors speak for themselves. Mm-hmm. Like this middle part is raised because it's a thicker floor than all these others. And we liked it so much that it did that we bumped these out to kind of make it a little bit more dimensional.
If you're thinking of building one like this, it's really, really easy. We'll show you a little time lapse of how we did it. This dimension, I believe, is 5.5 inches by 8 3/4, I believe. I'll post it. But there's a lot of tutorials online. But it was really fun to do, and I would suggest doing it if you have any extra wood laying around.
Yeah, we decided to do this kind of tones because we had enough kinds of wood to play with that we could do a kind of grayish theme to make it a grayish neutral. But you could also do this same look with stain. Use all the same type of wood and just stain the different layers differently.
Yep. Anyway, tell us what you think in the comments. Don't call us about it. Good talking with you. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.